Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can increase your credit scores to the 700s. And this is with secure credit cards. So yes, secure credit cards where you got to put the deposit down and your credit is just so bad that they're going to give you that credit card. Yes, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this. And the reason why I want to show you guys this is because I got this comment right here. You know, so many people on YouTube say that secure credit cards are not good to show up on your credit report. Is that true? I don't know. If your credit scores can look like this, do you think that you'll just say forget what they're saying and still go and get that secure credit card? Because I would not care personally about what they're saying about secure credit cards if those secure credit cards can be the thing that help you increase your credit score. So if this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. I do not want this to be a long video, so I want to get right on into these secure credit cards because people don't understand that these secure credit cards can really change your life. Now, I usually tell you guys, make sure that you have 4 credit cards. So I would love for you guys to get unsecured credit cards. But if your credit score is in the 400s and the 500s and you cannot get any other credit cards because your credit score is that low, you have to start somewhere. You're probably listening, that person, they're probably listening to people that already have a 700 credit score. They don't want a secure credit card to show up because their credit score is already lit. But if your credit score is not in the 700s, you can't get other credit cards, then you have to go ahead and get those secure credit cards. And they can get you where you need to be, where you can be able to get your credit score high like this. And this is even with high utilization. So just imagine paying down credit cards, how much higher that can even be. I think that's at like a 24% utilization. So if you guys know anything about credit, then you know it's a lot of wiggle room in that, you guys. So try to have at least 4 credit cards. I would like them unsecured, but if you can't get them unsecured, try going with the secure credit cards. Now, my favorite credit cards are credit cards that's going to graduate. So yes, you got to put a deposit down today, but these credit cards are going to graduate to an unsecured credit card. And to me, that's just best. So let's go ahead and try to see if you guys can get approved for some of these credit cards that I do suggest that you guys go ahead and get. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you all. So here is my credit cards for bad credit. So I made this blog here, you guys, to show you all the best credit cards that you guys can get approved for, even when you guys have bad credit. So let's go first to look at those credit cards that's going to graduate, because those are the ones I want you to think about getting first. So the first one is the Discover is Secure credit card. Someone recently put on my channel that they started with a $200 Discover is Secure credit card and it graduated, which means that they gave them their $20 back and then they increased their limit. It graduated to a credit card over $2,000. So I think it was like $2,200 or something like that. That is amazing. And usually Discover is going to graduate after 6 billing cycles. So after you guys get your statement 6 times, usually you want to see an increase already happen on your Discover is Secure credit card. And this one can actually pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So they're going to tell you yes or no on whether or not they're going to give it to you. And that's going to be without a hard inquiry. Another one I really like is the N Rewards. Now, the reason why I like this one, this is with Navy Federal, is because you can put a $200 deposit down on this. In about 6 to 7 months, it's going to graduate to a $2,000 credit card. It's a secure credit card, but guess what, you guys? When it graduates, it's no longer a secure credit card. They're going to actually give you an actual green credit card. And let me see. I have my wallet right here. I can show you, what the next credit card is going to look like anyway. So here is that N Rewards. If you guys can even see me, here is what that credit card is going to end up graduating to. Let me show my screen. This is the next one that you guys are going to get. And mine is all beat up because I use it. Mine is all beat up. But this was the credit card that you guys are going to get next. You can just apply for this credit card directly. You don't have to go and, get the secure. You can just get this one right away. And a lot of people that have better credit score, I just tell people to get this one. Don't try to go and get the secure one. If you can get approved for this one, then go ahead and get this one. But this is where it's going to actually graduate to. So this is a good one for you. So in about, I'll say 6 to 7 months, then it's going to graduate to this credit card. Now, let's see what else we have on the list, because there's another one that I really like that people to apply for, and that's the Capital One Platinum Secure Credit Card. When you guys get this credit card, a lot of times, let me be honest, a lot of people are saying it's not graduating. They had this credit card for a while, but it's a $200 credit card. And as you keep doing good by them and you keeping your balance low on your statements, you paying it on time, when you're doing these different things, then you can apply for another credit card with Capital One. And that credit card can be over $3,000. You can apply for another credit card. You can start off with this one, start building your credit, and then you can go into another credit card with Capital One. Some people did say graduated, but using about 6 months, it should graduate, and it's probably going to go to a $500 credit card or a $1,000 credit card. But a lot of times, a lot of people are saying it's not graduating, but I do suggest this one because you just have options, and you're dealing with a company where they have other credit cards you can possibly get approved for. So those are like my major, like, secured credit cards I want you guys to get. If for some reason your credit score is just so bad and you can't get any credit cards, then these are the credit cards I want you to look into. Try to get the Self Visa card. Now, you need to have the Self account. Check out my Self video to even figure this out. Go ahead and apply for that Self Visa card. They do have a $25 annual fee. The other ones I told you about, the other credit cards, they don't have an annual fee at all, but this one do have an annual fee. But that's fine, you guys. Just get your foot through the door and start building your credit. Okay, so go ahead and apply for this one here. You also have the credit builder card. I love this card because I literally told my clients, we had the membership, we had the a meetup, and I told them, I said, hey, I want you guys to get 4 credit cards, get them added to your credit reports. One of the people, she was like, hey, can you call, I tell them, if y'all want me to talk to y'all, look at y'all credit reports personally outside the group, I can do that. So I called her and she was like, what should I be doing? And I seen that they had that credit builder card on there. She got approved for Capital One. She got approved for Navy Federal, but that credit builder card was on there, and she applied for this one after she did the other ones. The credit builder card, they add this credit card to your credit reports before you can get the card in the mail. I love this card. And it is going to be, I believe it was a $29 annual fee, but that's fine, you guys, because they're going to report to the credit bureaus, and just make sure that you pay that card off and you keep the balance very low on that credit card, and your credit score is going to continuously go up, you guys, okay? And they'll allow you to get 2 of them, which is good, and they don't do a credit check. So I don't care if your credit score is 300 or 350. I don't care. They're going to give you that credit card as long as you're not like in Wisconsin. They don't. I think Wisconsin and Nevada, they're not going to give you a credit card in those states. But I love this card right here. They'll allow you to get 2 of them. So definitely check out the credit builder card. Kickoff is another great account. I tell you guys about this all the time. It's not actually a credit card, but they'll report as if they are a credit card. They report the same way. So if you want to get this Kickoff account, definitely check out the Kickoff account and see if you can get approved for it. That can be a great option. The Tumo card, this one is not necessarily a secure credit card, but if your credit score is that low that you're watching this because you want to build your credit, you can get the Tumo credit card. I like my Tumo credit card. Let me show you guys that one too. Now I'm thinking about it. This is what my Tumo credit card actually looks like. Let me see if I can show you. This is what my Tumo credit card looks like. And again, I've been using this thing, and I just like to use this card because they do give you rewards, and sometimes I can just separate certain expenses and stuff like that. And this one right here, though, say if I was using this credit card today, it's a Friday. If I use this credit card, then this is probably going to be due on on Sunday. So it's a charge card. So you're not going to hold a revolving balance on this. You're not going to hold a balance on here where it's like once a month is due. No, when I use this thing is going to be due on Sunday. It's going to be due on Sunday. And a lot of times, even though it's due on Sunday, they're going to automatically draft it from your bank account. They're not going to take the money until actually Monday. So I just wanted to let you guys know this in case you guys panic, like, I'm not going to have the money until Monday. Don't worry, they're not going to take it until Monday anyway. They're not going to take it until Monday. So it's very handy for those people that may need to have it or may need to use it. So another one, if you want to get the pedal visa, you can, but that's not a secure one. We have the OpenSky. So OpenSky is another secure credit card. This is a great secure credit card because they are graduating these cards now, which is good. This one have a $35 or a $39 annual fee on it. This one can really help you build your credit because they're not going to check your credit either. And they don't have the restrictions. So like if you're in Wisconsin, go ahead and get this one. If you had a bankruptcy, foreclosure, you just damaged your credit, this is a good one because they're not going to check your credit. So go ahead and get this one. Just keep the balance low on it. And as you see your credit score go up, go ahead and apply for some other credit cards. And I'll show you other credit cards that'll be easy to get once this one start reporting, or the other ones that I showed you. So go ahead and apply for that OpenSky secure credit card. You got the Student Chrome credit card. That's just a regular credit card. You got Credit One Bank. These two, that's the Student Chrome, and even this Credit One Bank card is a great credit card to go into right after your credit score start go up with a secure credit card. Mission Lane credit card is another great one. The Credit Strong is another great one. Account that you guys can get to start building your credit. Now, with these ones, you guys check the annual fees. Some of these credit cards have high annual fees, and they can pre-qualify you too. So the last three I just told you can definitely pre-qualify you. Prosper credit card, they can pre-qualify you and tell you how much they can approve you for. Milestone also. Indigo, Destiny, these are ones you're going to want to go ahead and apply for right after your credit score start going up with those secure credit cards. Now, some of these do have annual fees, you guys, but the key is just to start building your credit to the point where you start having credit cards want to give you a credit card. Try to keep your balance on these credit cards. Try not to have a high annual fee on these credit cards, and you'll be fine. And your credit score start going up, so then you can go ahead and get approved for other credit cards. Now, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Trust me, you guys can get your credit score over 700. All you have to do is just keep the balance low on your credit cards, and you can start off with these secure credit cards and later on get approved for other credit cards. I don't care what people saying you don't like to see secure credit cards or credit reports. If you're just trying to buy a house, buy a car, get some simple credit cards, nothing major like, kid, I need a 50,000. If you're not even thinking about that stuff, don't think about, I can't have a secure credit card. I'm telling you guys, just have patience and just wait it on out and start building your credit. You have a goal you want to get to. You want this to last forever. You want to be those people that's like, I've been had that credit card for 20 years. I had this. I want to be that person. So I just decided that I'm just going to just take it slow and build up, you guys. And I want you guys to do the same, but you guys can get results that's just like this. So definitely let me know let me hear what you guys have to say about it. And if your credit score is already in the 700s and 800s, don't tell me how somebody that have a very low credit score should not get a secure credit card, because I don't want to hear it. And if you guys started to build your credit and now your credit score is higher from secure credit cards, come back and let us know. And if you guys need help building your credit score higher, I do have my 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. This is where I was telling you those people, their credit scores are already 80 something points in 2 weeks already. We aren't even in a class in 2 weeks, and people been getting approved for credit cards. So I'm just so excited about that, you guys. So definitely check out the 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. This is the free one where you guys can watch it. I can tell you guys what to do. I give you guys a free inquiry removal letter, a free letter to remove like charge off, bankruptcies, foreclosures, student loans, all those different things. I give you guys a free letter for that, and then a free letter for collections. And if you guys want me to actually follow along with you in the 60 days, I have meetups for that. Find out what my next meetup is, and then go ahead and join it. And I'll follow along and say, hey, this is what you need to do now. This is what you need to do now. And that's where people are actually getting approved for credit cards and getting that accountability. And some stuff I can help you do and do for you, such as like helping you remove some of the negative accounts. So let me know if this video was helpful. I really enjoyed making this video. And I just think that some of the videos I've been making lately is going to really help those people that want to stay focused and who really need that help. I'll see you guys in the next video.